Students, my name is Shashank Parvarma and yesterday we discussed the R.S. Agarwal chapter 9 linear equation in one variable, and today we will discuss linear equation of one variable part 3. Part 2 I explain in this video. I will explain some other questions. Clear, student? So now come to the question. So this is exercise 9C. Clear, student? Exercise 9C. Question number 15. Clear, student? So now what is given? It is given a man is 4 times as old as his son. Clear, student? So man, this is the age of man. Clear? And this is age of son. Clear, student? You don't know about the age of man and age of son. What is given? A man is 4 times as old as his son. So 4 times, you know that, student? 4 times means multiply by what? Multiply by 4. Clear? So here man is 4 times the age of son, student. To write down age of son be x here. Age of son be x here, and the age of man will be then 4 times, yani 4x. Clear? Now next is given after 16 year. Clear, student? After 16 year. Here after 16 year, yani plus 16. If before was saying in the question, so you will write on minus 16, but after is saying na, yani plus 16. So son age is also plus 16, because if father age will increase, the son age also will be increased na. Okay. What is given? After 16 year he will be only twice as old as his son. Yani after 16 year the father will be only twice of son year. Clear? So twice means this twice means multiply by 2, because you know that twice means multiplication of 2. And one important thing, you have to multiply this 2 in son. Why? Because father is twice of son na? After 16 years. So twice of son means this is the age of father, or this is age of son. So here father, here son. Clear? So father is twice the age of son after 16 years. Clear, student? So this will be in bracket. Is that clear? Now you have to solve this. 4x up. Now it will become equal. Now 4x plus 16, same you will write down, equal to 2 multiplied by x. You know that it will come 2x. Clear, student? 2 into 16, it will come 32. Clear, students? Now 4x and 2x belongs to same family. So 4x and this 2x come this side, this will come minus 2x. Clear, student? Now 32 and 16 belongs to same family. So 32 same, 16 goes that side. Okay? It will come minus 16. Clear, students? Now 4x and 2x, student, it will become 2x equal to 32 and 16, student, minus 16. Clear, student? Now it will become what? X equal to 16 upon 2. Clear, student? So this will become what? This will become x equal to 8. Clear, student? So this is the value of x. Now what is given in the question? You have to find out the present age of son and the present age of father. It is given na? Find their present age. Ab you know that you assume present here. You assume present age of son equal to x here, because you assume here x, then you put the value. To x, value of x is 8. To write down 8 years. Is that clear? Now father age will be what? 4 times. So present age of father equal to, student, what? 4x. Clear? Because here 4x you written and here x you assume. So 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32 years. Clear, student? So this is the present age of son. This is the present age of father. Clear, student? See carefully question. Then you will able to solve. Again I am going to take another example based on this. So see carefully again. Then you will understand. Clear, students? So now come to the next question. So next question is, question number 16. Come on, question number 16. Based on same pattern, see carefully what is given. A man is thrice as old as his son. Okay, so let son's present age equal to what? X years. A, B, C, anything you can take. Now what is given? A man thrice as old as his son. So man's present age equal to what? 3x. Why I am writing 3x, student? Because thrice is given. So thrice means you know that 3x years. Clear, student? Now what is given? 5 years ago the man was 4 times as old as his son. Clear, student? यानी 5 years ago, तो 5 years ago age of son. Clear, student? Will be equal to what? X minus 5 years, because ago is given na. Clear? Again 5 years ago age of man. What it will become? Age of man is 3x. So 3x minus 5 years. Clear, student? Now what is given? 5 years ago the man was 4 times as old as his son. Clear? So this is very important line. So 5 years ago you find out. But what is given? 5 years ago the man was 4 times as old as his son. So here you will write down man and here you will write down son. Clear? Of what is the 5 years ago? The age of man is 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5. 5 years ago the age of son is, student, age of son x minus 5. Okay. But this is not your correct equation. Why? Because it is given in the question 5 years ago the man was 4 times as old as his son. So 5 years ago, this is 5 years ago, the man is 4 times as old as his son. Clear, student? So similarly like previous question कि man is 4 times ना, तो you will multiply 4 by this one, because man is 4 times to son. Clear? So man is given 3x minus 5, son is given x minus 5 and 4 multiply by this. Clear? Just say if I am writing a is 2 times of b. If a is 2 times of b, so what you can write down? A equal to 2b. Clear? So like that it is given 5 years ago age of man, 5 years ago age of son, and man is 4 times age of son. Now solve this. This will come what? This will come 3x minus 5 equal to 4x. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into minus 5 minus 20. Clear? Now this 3x and this 4x belongs to same family. Here I am writing 3x minus 4x. Clear? Equal to minus 20. This is 20 minus 20 and this minus goes to that side, become plus 5. Clear? Now here minus x it will become, because plus minus minus and sign of greater integer, and equal to here minus plus minus minus 50. Clear, student? Minus minus you can cancel out. So this is the value of x. So x is what, student? X is the age of son. Son's present age will be x, yani 15 years. Clear? Of what was the age of man, student? Age of man is thrice na? Thrice means 3 multiplied by 15, yani this will come 45 years. Clear? So this is the age of man's and this is the age of son. Clear, student? So using this process you are able to solve all the question based on this. Clear, student? So I think this process is clear. So now come to the next question. So these type of question you have to do very carefully. First you have to find out the present age, then you have to check what is given. Ago is given or after is given. Okay, before is given R, after is given, then you have to write down proper equation. Clear, students? Now next question I am taking, question number 23. Question number 23, what is given? The length of a rectangular hall is 5 meter more than its breadth. See here, you know that rectangle. Clear, student? Ab in rectangle you know that there is a, if you have to find out perimeter of rectangle, so you know that 2L plus B. This is our formula. Yani for finding out perimeter of a rectangle, you should know the length and breadth. Clear? But in the question what is given? The length of rectangular hall is 5 meter more than its breadth. So let, this is L, this is B. L means length and B means breadth. You know very well? Okay. This is L, this is B. What is given? The length of a rectangular hall is 5 meter more than its breadth. So you don't know about length and breadth, but one thing you know, कि length is 5 meter more than breadth. So let length be, breadth be x meter. Clear? Breadth be x meter. Now length is what, student? Length is 5 meter more than breadth. 5 meter more means plus 5. Clear? 5 meter less means minus 5. So 5 meter, length is 5 meter more than its breadth. So x is breadth, 5 meter more na, length is 5 meter more. So x plus 5 meter. Is that clear, student? Again, see carefully. Here I am taking breadth x because I don't know about length and breadth. But one thing I know, कि length is 5 meter more than its breadth. So anything you will take, you will add 5 because length is 5 meter more than its breadth. Okay. Now you know that perimeter equal to 2L plus B. You know this very well. Clear? Okay. So perimeter write down. Acha. Another thing is given, student. Perimeter is given 74 meter. Perimeter is given 74 meter. Huh. So 74 meter you will write down on the place of perimeter, student. Okay. 2. Ab length is given, student, x plus 5. So write down x plus 5. Breadth you are taking x plus x. Clear, student? Only I put the value L equal to x plus 5. X plus 5, B equal to x. X I will put. Now this is 74 equal to. Ab now student solve first bracket. This will become x plus x, student, 2x or plus 5. Is that clear? Now here I am solving 74. So same you will write down equal to 2 into 2, student. You know that 4. Yani it will become 4x plus 2 5 ja 10. So write down plus 10. Is that clear, student? Now you know that this is 4x. Is there anything related to this one? Matlab belongs to this family? You can say sir no, because x, only here x is present. But 10 and 74 belongs to same family. They are like friends. So what you will do, this 10 you will write down this side, or sign will be changed because this is the, this 10 is the this side of equal. Clear? So 74, 10 come this side, minus 10 equal to 4x. Clear, student? Now 74 minus 10, you know that 64 equal to 4x. Clear, student? Now 64 upon 4 equal to x. When you will reduce it, student, 4 1 ja 4, 2 carry, 4 6 ja 24. X equal to 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 20, yani 16. So student, this is the value of x. Up here, come here, x. What is x? X is your breadth. You will write down. This is 16 meter. Okay, and length is 16 plus 5. So your length is 16 plus 5. Okay, so length equal to 16 plus 5. You know that what? 21 meter. Clear, student? Why I am adding? Because length is 5 meter more than its breadth. You know that in the equation. And this is our breadth. Or you can also check the value by putting, जैसे perimeter is 74 ना, तो you can check, put 21 and 16. So when you will put 21 and 16 in the formula of perimeter of 21 plus 16, it will become what? 37. 37 multiplied by 2, it will come 74. Clear, student? So it means our answer is correct. Clear, student? So I think now you are able to understand this question. Clear? First you have to check what is given. First you have to check what information is given. Here in this question, length was given 5 meter more than its breadth. Clear? So what I did, I take breadth x and length is 5 meter more than its breadth. So x plus 5. Clear? After this, I use the formula perimeter equal to 2L plus B. You know that perimeter of rectangle, 74 perimeter is given, 2 length, the value of length is x plus 5, so x plus 5 I put, breadth is x I given. Okay, so 74 for 2 multiply by x, yani 2 2 is 4x, 2 5 is 10, so 10 I retain. Okay, now you have to check which belongs to same family. This is variable. Okay, so left like that, for 10 and 74 is constant, so you will write down 74 and 10 together, but when this 10 come to this side, it will become minus. You know that very well. So 74 minus 10 is 64. Now 4x equal to 64, the value of x is 16. When x equal to 16, so you know that x is breadth, so breadth is 16 and length is x plus 5. Clear? X plus 5 in length, yani 16 plus 5, this will come 21. Clear, student? This is 21. So now I think you are able to solve all the question based on this, and there is no problem in this question. So this is of exercise 9C, student, of R.S. Agrawal. In next video we will discuss ratio and proportion of NCERT. So till you have to do all the question, and one important thing is, student, when premiere is going on of mathematics, so you have to come online, means live in video, because only 16 to 17 students are coming. So in which, matlab, what is benefit? You can ask your doubt live. Clear, student? So now 9C, rest of question you will do yourself, and next video we will discuss the next chapter. Clear, student? Thank you.